kids. Let's sing and spell together. Are you ready? Let's go. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. B for ball. B-A-L, ball. C, cookie for cat. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. F for fish. F-I-S-H, fish. G, cookie for goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Hatch for hat. H-A-T, hat. I for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. J for jug. Jug. Cup. K for kite. Kite. K-I-T-E, kite. L for lion. L-I-O-N, lion. M for mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. N for nest. N-E-S-T, nest. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. P for panda. P-A-N-D-A, panda. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. S for sun. S-U-N, sun. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. For violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. W for watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. X for xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. Y for yak. Y-A-K, yak. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Hooray, we did it. Eat. Apple. A is for apple. Apple. B says ball. B is for ball. Ball. C says see, cat. C is for cat. Cat. D says dog. D is for dog. E says e, elephant. E is for elephant. F says F, fish. F is for fish. For fish. G says goat. G is for goat. H says hat. H is for hat. I says I, igloo. I is for igloo. Igloo. J says jelly. J is for jelly. K is for kite. K is for kite. L says lion. L is for lion. M says monkey. N is for monkey. N says nest. N is for nest. O cell orange. O is for orange. And he says panda. P is for panda. Q says queen. Q is for queen. R says rabbit. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. U says U, umbrella. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. Is for violin. V for violin. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y says yak. Y is for yak. Yak. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Now we know our phonics sounds. Sing them loud and clear.
One, sun in the sky.
O-N-E, one, tongue.
Two, cute shoes.
T-W-O, two.
Three, buzzing bees.
T-H-R-E-E, three. Four, open doors. F-O-U-R, four, on. Five, jumping frogs. F-I-V-E, five, on. Six, colorful bricks.
S-I-X, six.
Seven, flying kites. S-E-V-E-N, seven. Eight, yummy grapes. E-I-G-H-T, eight. Nine, bouncing balls. N-I-N-E, nine. Ten, little hens. T-E-N, 10.
11, let's spell them too.
11, let's spell. E-L-E-E-E and 11.
1, 2, 12, it's fun.
T-W-E-L-V-E, 12.
1, 3, 13, hop.
T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13.
1, 4, 14, jump and stop.
F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14.
1,
5, 15, clap your hands. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15.
1,
6, 16, let's run fast. S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. 1, 7, 17, touch the sky. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-E-N, 17. 1, 8, 18, wave goodbye. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. 9, 19,
stomp your feet.
N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. 2, arrow 20, hooray, we're neat. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20.
Great job, kids, you spelled with me.
See you next time and keep spelling with me.